Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making the easiest pecan pie ever. To begin, roughly chop 2.5 cups of raw pecans. Then, in a large mixing bowl, add in 3 large eggs, followed by 1 cup of dark corn syrup, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 of a cup of unsalted melted butter. Make sure that when you add the butter in, it has already started to cool down. You don't want burning, smoking butter. Now, whisk until evenly incorporated. To make life easier, we are using a ready-to-bake pie crust. However, if you like making the pie crust from scratch, by all means do so. With cooking spray, lightly grease a 9-inch pie dish. Place the pie crust into the dish. With your fingers, pinch around the entire edge to give it a wavy look to the pie crust. Add the nuts to the mixture. Go ahead and mix and get them evenly coated. Transfer the mixture over into the prepared pie dish. You could bake it as is, however, we are going to make it extra pretty, of course. And to do so, we're going to place pecans all around the top in a circle. Do a ring all around the side, and once that's done, do another ring inside and so on. Now, bake at 350 degrees in a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until the pie is set. If your pie crust begins to brown too quickly, place a loosely piece of aluminum foil on top to slow down the browning process. And if everything goes according to plan, your pecan pie should look like this. Let it cool off at room temperature for at least 1 hour before you cut into it. There you guys have it, pecan pie. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.